Jasmy coin cost conjectures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030 in an especially huge way. We here will in every practical sense give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Jasmy coin. Is JASMY extremely worth purchasing in 2023? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030, which is very huge? How most certainly high might Jasmy coin at any point really go in a genuinely significant manner? Our aid will in a real sense provide you with a thought of the Jasmy coin expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized examination to essential truly past cost graphs in a enormous manner. Jasmy coin past value investigation. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of Jasmy coin basically is 1 cent, and JASMY is right now basically position number 382 in the genuinely whole crypto market in a genuinely significant manner. The core supply of JASMY is 4,754,930,780 with a market cap of $57,033,358 in every practical cent. Most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Jasmy coin's cost basically has shown a decent increment of 23.71% in the most recent 24 hours incredibly. Jasmy coin is as yet confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with other crypto coins in the market in a significant way. The JASMY basically is down to nearly 21.71% over the most recent 7 days. In any case, after looking at the current cost esteem with recent days' cost history, it certainly is seen that Jasmy coin has expanded 37.43% in its cost esteem. The typical least cost for the 1 month explicitly is $0. Fundamentally greatest truly normal cost essentially was $0. This suggests that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to exceptionally your arrangement of coins for truly long haul and in an every practical sense significant way. The 90 days cost change is around 73.80% and the cost truly coursed from a base typical worth of $0 in every way that really matters. Most extreme normal worth of $0 the beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months Jasmy coin has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we imagine that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin basically is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 67.32% with the especially greatest truly normal cost of the coin was around $0. The base truly normal value of was around $0 beautiful beyond 4 months, which is genuinely critical, assuming that you truly are looking to explicitly put resources into digital money market, in every practical sense. Make a point to peruse our forecasts, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. As a matter of fact, Jasmy coin value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023 the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is supposed to reach at an essentially least value level of 1 cent. The JASMY cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of 1 cent with the typical exchanging cost of 1 cent, or so they thought. Jasmy coin value expectation for 2024 according to the gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the cost of Jasmy coin is somewhat anticipated to truly reach at the very least worth of 1 cent. Or so they thought. The JASMY cost can arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of 2 cents with the really normal exchanging cost of 1 cent incredibly. Jasmy coin value gauge 2025 to 2026 the cost of Jasmy coin really is anticipated to reach at least degree of 2 cents in 2025 in a significant manner. The Jasmy coin cost can generally arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of 3 cents with the typical cost of 2 cents all through 2025. The cost of Jasmy coin really is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a by and large least degree of 3 cents in 2026 in a kind of enormous manner. The Jasmy coin cost can arrive at an essentially greatest degree of 4 cents with the in every practical sense normal cost of 3 cents all through 2026. JASMY value expectation for 2027 Jasmy coin cost truly is gauged to arrive at in a real sense the most reduced degree of 5 cents in 2027 incredibly. According to our discoveries, the JASMY cost could arrive at a greatest degree of 6 cents with the truly normal figure cost of 5 cents in a genuinely significant manner. JASMY value expectation for 2028 as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of JASMY. In 2028 the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is estimated to be at around a truly least worth of 8 cents. The Jasmy coin value worth can arrive at a really limit of 9 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 8 cents in USD. Jasmy coin value expectation for 2029 the cost of 1 Jasmy coin is supposed to truly reach at a very least degree of 12 cents in 2029. The Jasmy cost can arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of 0.14 with the typical cost of 12 cents all through 2029 in a significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation. Figure for 2030 according to the conjecture and profound specialized examination. In 2030, the cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is supposed to reach at least value worth of 18 cents. Or so they certainly thought. The Jasmy cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest value worth of 21 cents with the truly normal worth of 18 cents in a really significant manner. Jasmy coin value expectation for 2031. The cost of Jasmy coin is supposed to in a real sense reach at any rate worth of 26 cents in 2031 in a truly significant manner. The Jasmy coin cost could sort of arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of 31 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 27 cents all through 2031. Or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin value expectation for 2032. Jasmy coin cost is figured to in a real sense arrive at least a specially conceivable degree of 39 cents in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Jasmy cost could arrive at a truly greatest kind of conceivable degree of 45 cents with the typical estimate cost of 40 cents in an unobtrusive manner. What basically is the Jasmy coin cost today, which really is genuinely huge. Today the cost of Jasmy coin is 0.012 with the market cap of 57,033,358.000 in an unpretentious manner. What will be the Jasmy actually the most noteworthy anticipated cost for 2023? The most elevated gauge cost for Jasmy is supposed to especially arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 1 cent toward the finish of 2023. What will be the Jasmy coin most elevated anticipated cost for 2024 in a genuinely significant manner? Practically the most noteworthy estimated cost for Jasmy truly is supposed to especially arrive at a truly greatest worth of 1 cent toward the finish of 2024. Or so they thought. How sort of high can Jasmy coin go, which for the most part is very huge. The typical cost of Jasmy could really reach to 1 cent before the current year's over. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it sort of is assessed that the coin will effectively come to the 5 cents mark. How especially will Jasmy coin be worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, Jasmy, all things considered, has an extraordinary for the most part potential to reach new ATHs in a significant manner. As a matter of fact, it is anticipated that Jasmy coin will increment in esteem, or so they really thought, as per in every way that really matters. Numerous specialists and business experts, Jasmy can stir things up around town. The most elevated sort of conceivable cost of 45 cents till 2030 in a by and large significant manner. Is Jasmy coin a wise interest in an exceptionally significant way? The Jasmy coin esteem is supposed to especially keep on growing, as lack will in general basically energize cost rise, which for the most part is very critical. The drawn-out money growth strategies in Jasmy truly looks encouraging in an unpretentious way. As per our gauge, Jasmy coin will cross the 2 cents mark during the following 2-3 years. Kindly note, there especially is extremely high gamble include to any speculation, which essentially is very critical. Only invest in an unobtrusive manner.